Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix ChatGPT error. So first, you need to update your Google Chrome. Go to browser settings, click the three dot at the top right corner. Next, go to About Chrome. Then, it will automatically update your Google Chrome, as you can see on my computer screen. After that, refresh the ChatGPT page so you can check if the error already gone. Next option, you will need to go again to settings. Then click on reset and clean up so you can reset settings to their original defaults, or maybe cleaning up your computer and finding harmful software that needs to be deleted. Another option is unlink all the plugins in Chrome. You can go to your extensions, then Management's extension, then turn off or remove all extension. Or maybe the last option, you will need to change your internet browser. You can use Microsoft Edge or Opera browser. And that's all. Thank you for watching. See you next time.